If you have just graduated and you've been researching MBA options in India, the answer tends to be IIM. But in 2025, something changed. ISB launched a brand new program specifically for people at exactly your career stage. Fresh graduates and early career professionals with up to 2 years of experience. It's called PGP-YL, the Postgraduate Program in Management for Young Leaders, and it's already becoming one of the most talked about new programs in Indian management education. So now the question is no longer just, should I go for IIM? It's ISB PGP-YL or IIM PGP. What should you choose? Is one better than the other? If yes, how? How do you go about deciding? That's exactly what we are going to work through today. I am an ISB alumna and I have friends, colleagues and mentees who are IIM alumni. So today I'll cover details about both the courses, share everything that you need to consider for making your choice, and by the end of this video, you'll hopefully have your answer to which course is better suited for you. Let's get started. First, what is ISB PGP-YL? Because this is a fairly new program and many of you may be hearing about it for the first time, let me quickly set the context before we get into the comparison. ISB PGP-YL is a 20-month full-time residential management program offered at ISB's Hyderabad campus. It is specifically designed for people with 0 to 2 years of work experience, so fresh graduates can apply, and so can people who are 1 to 2 years into their careers. It's equivalent in content and rigor to a full MBA and includes a summer internship at the end of the first year. Experiential learning modules, full placement support from ISB's Career Advancement Services team make this program very attractive. It's a completely new program launched in mid-2025 with its first cohort of around 130 to 140 students. That means placement data for this program specifically is still early because the first batch hasn't graduated yet. I'll address what that means for your decision making a little later. Now, with that context in place, let's compare. Both programs are designed for the same broad category of person, someone early in their career who wants to fast track into management. But the fit is more specific than that. ISB PGP-YL is for someone who wants the ISB brand and the ISB environment, global curriculum, diverse cohort, international faculty, but is at an earlier career stage than the flagship one-year PGP typically targets. It's a meaningful new option, but it's also a new program. If you are someone who likes navigating established, well-chartered paths, IIM gives you that certainty. If you are comfortable being part of a newer program at a globally ranked institution, PGP-YL is worth serious consideration. The IIM 2-year PGP has historically been the default answer for this profile. Fresh out of college, strong CAT score, clear ambition. IIM 2-year PGP is where you go. And that path is well established, well understood, and backed by decades of placement history. ISB PGP-YL is a 20 months program. IIM PGP is a 24 months program. Both include a mandatory summer internship at the end of year 1. So in terms of structure, they are actually quite similar. Foundation courses in year 1, internship, then electives and placements in the second year. The 4-month difference between the two programs might feel small, but it does matter. You're back in the workforce 4 months earlier with the PGP-YL, and at this career stage, that's not a massive swing, but it's worth factoring into your timelines. The ISB PGP-YL accepts GMAT, GRE or CAT. One important note, from April 2025, ISB only accepts scores that are taken at test centers, not the online scores. IIM 2-year PGP primarily accepts CAT for Indian applicants, with some IIMs accepting GMAT. This is where it gets interesting. If you've been preparing for CAT and are strong at it, the IIM path is a natural fit. If you've taken GMAT or GRE, ISB PGP-YL opens a door that most people at your career stage didn't know existed before. If you're confused about which exam is right for you, watch this video. Both courses have a competitive score range, so neither is an easy door to walk through. To give you an idea, the exam score range is 690 to 750 for GMAT, 320 plus for GRE, and 99 or 98 percentile for CAT. The selection is highly competitive with an estimated acceptance rate of 5 to 7%. ISB PGP-YL fees goes up to 30 lakhs including accommodation based on the current fee structure. Since this is a new program, fee details for upcoming cycles will be confirmed on their website, so do check there for the most up-to-date numbers. Fees for IIM's 2-year PGP varies significantly by institute. Top IIMs like A, B are in the 27 to 33 lakh range. Newer IIMs are considerably lower. On raw numbers, the fees are broadly comparable for both the programs. Where they differ is in the IIM you are comparing. If you're looking at A or B, you are in a similar bracket. If you're comparing with a newer IIM, the cost difference will be more. Also, ISB accepts 40 to 50% of its cohort to receive some form of scholarship. It could be merit-based, need-based, There are even 100% tuition waivers. This is a significant number and worth exploring if fees is a deciding factor for you. Let's talk about brand legacy and what the market recognizes. ISB's flagship one-year PGP has built enormous brand value over 25 years. Globally, ISB is ranked significantly higher than any IIM in major rankings, but the PGP-YL is right now a new launch. It does not have placement track record, the alumni network, or the corporate recognition that comes with 25 years of graduates in the workforce. IIMs, specifically A, B, and C, carry decades of brand equity in India. IIM's 2-year PGP is one of the most recognized graduate credentials in Indian corporate history. Every senior hiring manager, every recruiter, every company that does campus recruitment in India has a deeply established relationship with these three institutions. That legacy is real and it counts. Does that mean the ISB PGP-YL is worst choice? Not necessarily. But it does mean you are making a bet on a new program at a highly reputed institution versus choosing a proven program at a highly reputed institution. This matters way more if you have a choice between ISB PGP-YL and a newer or mid-tier IIM. The PGP-YL batch size is approximately 130 to 140, all at similarly early career stages, all on ISB's Hyderabad campus. IIM's 2-year PGP varies from around 400 plus at top IIMs to around 150 to 300 at mid-tier ones, with large percentage of the cohort at similar career stages. At this life stage, the peer learning difference is narrower than it would have been at the ISB's flagship PGP and IIM's 2-year program, because you are mostly surrounded by people with limited work-ex, which is 0 to 2 years. The classroom discussion quality at ISB is highly enriched by the international faculty and the case study method, whereas the IIM 2-year PGP has the benefit of a very established academic tradition. One thing that sets the PGP-YL apart is the structure of its experiential learning. The business design lab, the innovation lab called Pivot, and the emphasis on entrepreneurship and technology throughout the curriculum. If you're interested in building something or working at the intersection of technology and business, that structured innovation focus is quite differentiated at ISB. However, since ISB's PGP-YL's first batch is just into the first year of the program, there is no placement data available yet. The first batch graduates in 2027. ISB's CAS team manages placements and the program is connected to ISB's overall recruiter ecosystem. But actual numbers will only emerge once the first cohort graduates. This is the single biggest uncertainty in the PGP-YL decision right now. It's not a reason to rule it out, but it is just something that you should go in knowing so that you're not surprised. You'd be part of the pioneering cohort, which has its own excitement and risk. Companies that recruit from ISB's flagship PGP may or may not extend that relationship to the YL program. Some will wait and see. For IIM placements, the data from 2025 shows that they had an average salary package of around 35 lakhs per annum, with top recruiters being McKinsey, Bain, BCG, Goldman Sachs, Amazon, Google. With all of this data, how do you decide which course is right for you? Here is my framework. Choose the ISB PGP-YL if you have a strong GMAT or GRE score, you are drawn to a global curriculum, ISB's international faculty and positioning, and a smaller, more curated cohort. You are interested in innovation, entrepreneurship, or technology-focused business roles. You are comparing against a mid-tier or newer IIMs rather than the top 3, because then the ISB name carries enough weight to make PGP-YL a serious contender. And finally, you are comfortable being part of a new program's early cohorts, knowing that you are helping build the brand rather than benefiting from an established one. Choose IIM's 2-year PGP if you have a strong CAT score and IIM A, B or C is within your reach, because the placement legacy, the corporate recognition and proven alumni network at these 3 institutions specifically are hard to beat. You want a well-charted path, 2 full years on campus, an internship, the full IIM experience. This is one of the most exciting decisions in Indian management education right now, because for the first time, early career professionals have a solid choice between 2 paths that both lead to top-tier institutions. Neither choice is wrong. The question is which one fits your profile, your goals and your risk appetite. If you would like to think through this for your specific situations, your scores, your background, your career goals, I offer one-on-one consultations where we work through exactly this. The link to schedule a call with me is in the description box and pinned in the comments. Drop your questions in the comments. I respond to every single one. Like the video if it helped, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.